Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove objects from photos on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the gallery, then select an image from which you want to remove an object. Now after that, just tap on edit, then tap on the four circles icon over here. Now from here, tap on object eraser. Now just circle on the object which you want to erase, just like that. Now once you select the object which you want to erase, just tap on erase. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove objects from photos. Now once you remove the object from the photo, just tap on done and select save. And this is how you can remove objects from photos on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.